welcome back to the channel. So my second video today is going to be how to make this. It's like a fidget toy. Now, I'm going to take this apart because I don't got more than one spring. So let me take it apart. Now, so the first pieces you'll need are these. So it's 4 going across. Then let's take these off. Then you can put one down first. Let's do how I saw. Put one down on it. Guys, before I continue, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notification. Okay, let's continue. You don't got to have the same color that I'm using, but you can. Then get a 2-piece. Then put it on each side. Then you want to do the same exact thing. This time we're going to use blue for the button. For the second layer. Let's move this more here. As you can see, that's the second layer. Then you want the last layer, which I don't got another white long one, so I'm using a grey. Doesn't got to be color coordinated. Then put these down. Zoop. And last one. Then 1 second, guys. Then you need a piece like this and a piece like this. Put it on top. They could be any color. Then get a spring and put it right there, like in the hole. Then turn your thing over and put the spring in like that. There we go. Then as you can see, you can push it down, play with it. Now I am going to decorate it using pieces like these. So I'm going to have 2 whites over here, because here is grey. And I'm going to have 2 blues over here. So the theme is like blue, white and grey. And then enjoy your fidget. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn on post notification. Bye.